Hey guys, welcome to Hello RC. This is Jason and Wyatt, and today we're out here in the barn to do a little bit of a unboxing. What we have in here is something that Ali Express reached out to us and offered us to try out, and this is an MN168. MN Models 168 comes from overseas. I have looked at it a lot on YouTube, and I think it has potential to be really cool. Now, before we open it, I will tell you that you can get this truck completely packaged, sent from overseas to right here in your own home for under $80. So $80 for this crawler that's in here, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Here's the lid if you want to just cut around there, that's right. Make it easier.
I didn't realize there was a lid.
Now, normally it would come in like a cardboard box, but for overseas shipping, you know, with the box art and all that, but overseas shipping, they put it in this styrofoam container to help protect it. So we'll see what's inside here. And I think this thing is just really cool. The looks alone are going to be worth the price. And of course, we're going to do a quick overview here, and then we're going to take it out to our course and see how it performs out at Crawler County.
It's like one of those little coolers you can buy.
Yeah, we had saved that. We could put some drinks in it. Yeah, they put it in the, and you get a free cooler. So you get shipping and a free cooler. But I can't wait to see this thing. Let me see that remote.
What's that?
I don't know. It's got some weird looking. It looks like a bottle opener. But just a basic little remote. It does have a thumb steer on it, so that's kind of cool. But nothing special there. And there it is.
Oh, that's cool.
That is a 1/12 scale Range Rover hard body. Doors open. Is the tailgate open?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out. Looks like the glass might. I don't know.
I think the hood opens.
Oh yeah.
Hood opens.
I don't know if the tailgate does or not.
Yeah, I don't think it does. It doesn't. I don't see any hinge or anything on it.
No, I don't see.
I'm guessing the tailgate does not open, but it does have a full interior, a really nice looking interior, and this is not just molded blue plastic. The inside is blue plastic, but it's actually painted on the outside the same color as the plastic, so a really high gloss, good looking finish on it. Like I said, the interior is nice, but we're not going to talk too much about the truck. We're going to review it here real quick. Of course, you put your battery in here, and one thing cool about this, even for a cheaper car, it does have a separate ESC and receiver, so you can upgrade the ESC and keep your stock radio. But onto the underside, it actually has portal axles, and inside these axles are all metal gears. Has a metal chassis, does have plastic links and plastic drive shafts, but we're going to take a look in these bags because this was the upgraded version and it came with a few extras. So Wyatt's going to check that out here. So here we have a set of metal drive shafts with the upgraded package. Now the lesser model of this, I think you can get for about $62, and I think this one was approaching $70 with these upgrades, which also includes one of these sticker sheets. It came with an extra sticker sheet as well, but pretty cool. It's got a little USB charger. Oh, one of the upgrades for the extra price was it went from a 1200 to a 3000 milliamp battery as well. So we got the big 3000 battery, just a 2-cell metal drive shaft, and some extra stickers.
It's got stickers.
Range Rover stickers. We've got our mirrors in here, some other little windshield wipers, some things that'll go on this body. Here's one of the sticker sheets. Let's take a look in the bag here. Okay. So we got two separate sticker sheets. One of these is an extra one with the upgrade, but has the Camel Trophy stickers. This thing is going to look really good, all decked out with some decals and all its little accessories. Tires are halfway decent. They are beadlock wheels, so that's a good thing. And I think they use a 12 millimeter hex. So we're going to go ahead and get all the accessories put on this thing, take it out to the course, and see how it performs for such a inexpensive truck. And I think it's going to be pretty good. So we'll get this buttoned up and we'll see you in a few minutes. Here we go, we're at Crawler County and Wyatt's got the controller for the MN168. And before we get started here, I wanted to do a little size comparison. So I brought a TRX-4M out. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that down here. And I'm sure everyone by now has seen the TRX-4M in person. So, you know, that MN168 or 168 is considerably bigger. They call this a 12 scale and I think it's pretty close. But Wyatt's gonna drive it around here, and there's a few more things we will mention about the truck, so let's get started. It is really good looking. Oh, I'm sure it is. It's a hard body. But one thing we failed to mention in the unboxing, that it does have metal oil-filled shocks. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got turn signals, all the lights work, it's got brake lights, and it's got an electronic high and low transmission, so that's pretty cool too. So we'll kind of go through the different functions here during this test drive. What speed are you in now? Okay. Not sure how these tires are going to perform, but I think for mild terrain they'll do okay.
Yeah, they don't seem like they're that grippy.
Yeah. They're kind of low profile too, so they don't really grab the rocks super well, but you know, tires and wheels would be an easy upgrade for this thing. Seems like it has pretty good control though. And there's our, when you're in at a stop, the brake lights come on. And when you're moving, the brake lights turn off. That's pretty cool.
Turning radius isn't very good.
Yeah, but it's got adjustability on the servo horn. I think if we put it in a lower hole, that'll give us a lot more steering. I just left it stock for this run. But I definitely think we can get more steering out of it. Because when it's not on, these wheels actually turn halfway sharp.
I think I might turn forward to the...
One side than the other?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Definitely cool that it's got portal axles. That helps it out a lot. Oh, there goes our first flip over, first scratch. I think this kind of a terrain is where it's at. Just mild rocks and obstacles. But with some better tires, it probably could do a little more. Whoa. See if you can save it here. I think you can. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. Drag brake it has. Not bad. Whoa. You in high or low?
I'm high right now.
Okay. That's what I thought.
Well, that was really slow.
Yeah.
This is max speed now.
Yeah. What's max speed and high? Get it around here on the flat ground. Let's take a look at it.
It's not that much faster.
No. It's slow and slow. Yeah. Not much. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. I wouldn't get to electronics level.
It's definitely gonna fit.
Let's see what we got here.
What's that?
That tire's slipping down. Let's see if we can make it. Turn to the
right tire.
turn to the left.
Left?
Yeah. Keep turning. There you go. Awesome. All right, that was pretty good. All right, there you have it, guys. The MN168. Very cool little scale looking truck. Not the greatest performer in the world, but as a trail truck, this thing is really awesome. And there are a lot of upgrades available for it as well. Metal axles, metal links, things like that that could help with the performance. And of course, wheels and tires. But for under $80 delivered right here to the United States from overseas, pretty good deal. It's an awesome looking truck, and I think it has real potential to be a good looking trail rig. But if you like this content, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and we will also have a link in the description for this awesome little truck. you can order it yourself and try it out, and we'll get a little bit of a commission on that. That'll help our channel for the future. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.